is going to join us for a moment. Andre, thank you for coming on, and want to ask you about how you're feeling right now. Geez, you sure look like you're locked in. You're getting extra base hits. Seems like 2 of them every game now.
Just going up there, we have a good thing going with our lineup. Good balance to top to bottom. It's kind of fun playing here. With that extra hitter in the lineup there and a little more depth. And I don't know. Actually, I need to take that back. Our pitchers have been doing a pretty good job hitting themselves, but. We've just been going out there rolling, good gut check for us tonight there, getting down some runs, getting down big, and then figuring out a way to come back. Bullpen keeping those guys off the bases there at the end, and then giving a shot to score some more runs and get this win here.
Andre, your power always seems to come in bunches. You've got a lot of extra base hits on this road trip, but I think your natural swing is the other way. You hit a ringing double to left field today, left center, and then pulled a home run. You're able to do both things. You got to feel locked in when you can do that.
It's one thing with Donnie. That's what he always said. From day one when he came over here, is your swings naturally in that left center gap there, and that's something that we've worked hard all year on trying to figure out how to get back to, and not forcing it. Sometimes you want to stay inside the ball and drive the ball there, and it causes you to pop up or be late on the pitch, and it's just making contact on time over there, and it's one where it's a difficult thing to do, but once you get a hold of it and get that groove back, then that's when you can get going again.
This season started off poorly. Everyone knows that. How much fun is it now to know that you can be 5 runs down late in a game and you're not out of it?
That's what I was just saying right there. It was a big gut check for us. Early in the year, I definitely, if we would have been down 5 runs in that situation, you would have probably saw a lot of defeated guys. There's one where, coming in here in this ballpark, anything can happen. We kept that going, and we went up there, battled, just kept chipping away and waiting for our little opening. And when we had it there in the 8th or 9th inning, whatever it was there, we scored runs and put it away. And then our guys in the bullpen came and do what they do best, is close the door for us.
Andre, thank you so much for your time. It's been fun to watch.
All right, thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.